Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Suno app version 5.5 for beginners. We need to keep in mind that Suno as such is an application integrated with artificial intelligence for creating different types of songs, whether written by us or written with the help of AI. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. I'm going to show you what we need to do, how it works, and basically all the main features the app has to offer. To get started, what we need to do is access the application. We're simply going to go to our browser. In my case, it would be Edge, Microsoft Edge, and we're going to type suno.com. Once we're there, we'll click on Join Suno for free. We'll click on that option, and this dashboard will appear. In this case, we can sign in through Google, Apple, continue through our phone, through Discord, Facebook, or Microsoft. In my case, I'm going to do it with Google, so I'll make a quick cut and we'll be right back. As you can see, in this case, we're going to start from scratch with a brand new account, and the first thing it asks us is our birthday. These are simply details you need to enter. We'll put that we were born on August 4th, 2003. Right. These are details you need to fill in yourself. A lot of times when you have a birthday on these kinds of pages, well, you have a birthday normally, but the pages often give some kind of discount for your birthday, etc., right? So that could be one possible benefit. In this case, it asks us how we would describe ourselves as content creators, as people who make music as a hobby or pastime. It tells us we're poetry or lyric writers, right? I'm a professional creative. I don't create music, lyrics, or poetry, and I'm a music professional, producer, or DJ. In this case, we're going to start from scratch. We're going to say we have no knowledge at all about creating music, lyrics, or poetry. Basically, we're going to hit continue, and we're going to enter what would be our username. We'll call ourselves, in this case, Joes_. Once we've chosen our username and our full name, it takes us to this other section where we're going to have to choose the genre for which we want to create content. We have electronic music, pop. Let's choose pop. We'll also choose K-pop, reggaeton, house, trap, Latin, the Latin genre, etc., right? But as you can see, there's music, and we'll choose electronic, and we'll hit continue. And in this case, it tells us we're going to make our first song. We'll hit continue, and it asks us what our song will be. We're going to have to write, for example, what we want to create, what kind of lyrics, right? And here we can also get help from applications like ChatGPT. Now, help from applications like ChatGPT. Quickly go into Greece, this case. It tells us get help as we're going to make a GPT. In this case, we're going to ask it to based on certain things we have in mind. For example, let's do it this way, right? I need lyrics for a song that's electronic style. No, not electronic. Let's put pop style. Pop style with sad and deep lyrics, and deep. Let's do it this way. We'll simply hit enter and see what comes up, right? In this case, we also have the option to choose different types of themes about our feelings, about love, about romance, right? Personal work, right? Well, not motivational, not personal work. Well, anyway, just choose one that catches your attention and we can continue with this section, right? Right here, you can also choose the lyrics, which we'll cover more in a moment, just to get it done for now. And in this case, it tells us we're already creating our first two songs. We'll hit done because yes, Suno as such generates what are two songs in one single go, okay? As you can see, we're gonna have a total of 50 credits. I just spent 10 credits because we just created this song. And based on this, we'll be able to make use of these songs, okay? Here, as you can see, we have these songs right here. It's simply a matter of running some tests and seeing what works best for us, right? We have the lyrics section. This can be integrated with artificial intelligence. And in fact, it is using artificial intelligence because, well, this wouldn't be the actual lyrics, right? We simply remove this. And for example, we're going to paste the text that ChatGPT gave us right here. We'll paste it. And as you can see, we have the option to enter what would be AI generated lyrics, right? Maybe we type in just a single word and ask the little pencil icon to generate more lyrics or more text for us, okay? Either way, as you can see here, we have different types of genres that we'll be able to use and that the artificial intelligence has created. In this case, I'm going to let you hear the audio so that it's obviously something more dynamic, okay? At 18 decibels, and you should be hearing the music right now. As you could hear, well, this would be the type of content that artificial intelligence is going to generate. So honestly, it's something incredible. It has a lot of rhythm. It's something we'll be able to create practically at any time, all with the help of AI. But that wouldn't be all, okay? As I mentioned from the beginning, we're going to be able to make use of this to create personalized songs. And in this case, we're going to use that personalized song feature. As you can see in this case, we're using version 4.5, version 5.5 we'll be able to use, but only if we're on the Pro plan. In the meantime, we wouldn't be missing out on anything because it's practically the same thing, except version 5.5 gives us slightly more powerful vocals and more advanced custom models, okay? In the meantime, it works perfectly fine in the same way. The interface is practically identical. So that's not something we need to worry about, okay? Continuing with this, here we'll be able to choose the style. We'll make it a reggaeton pop, okay? And we'll leave it with a Latino mode and we'll keep it with the electronic rhythm, okay? It would look something like this. Remember, we're sending it the lyrics that ChatGPT gave us, okay? If you have your own lyrics or just want to mess with a friend, you can do it. I've done it. I've used it to make a silly song about a friend of mine, just to tease him, and it turned out to be something pretty entertaining. You can use it for TikTok videos, for whatever you want. You can do it, okay? Here it also has more options for creating it, which would be for choosing, the voice gender, whether it's male or female. Let's say it's male. Um, and the lyrics mode, which basically lets us manually control the prompt, right? We'll leave it in automatic mode, I think, okay? And this is more for the section and this would be a slightly more technical section, but either way you can play around with these options. These sections as such we're not going to touch because these can only be used in the Pro version, right? So we won't be able to make use of these, okay? Hi Fost. Right here we also have the section for adding the song title. Let's put, I don't know, all yours, just to put something because I honestly don't know what it's about. I just asked ChatGPT to generate it and we'll hit create. As you can see in this case, it will always cost us 10 credits. We need to keep that very much in mind, okay? And that, yeah, basically that would be the result. We'll need to wait for it to generate. It really doesn't take long. It's just a matter of having a little patience until we have the complete result. And it also gives us the option to listen to a preview of version 5.5 and compare it with version 4.5, which we can use normally, okay? So in this case, I'm going to let you hear the music again so you can give your opinion. And this would be the main result. Two more were generated, but that was my mistake, since I had pressed the automatic mode on the lyrics section without realizing it. So the song wasn't generated based on the lyrics we asked ChatGPT for. But this would be the result. Let's scroll up here and check out the result without a heart. And even though time keeps talking about forget, as you can see, the voice sounds very similar to current reggaeton rappers and singers. So yes, this is the power that the Suno AI application has, and this is everything we'll be able to create. And that would be everything.